dear friends, I am Dr. Manjusha Goyal, Lead Consultant Gynae and Obstetrics Department, CK Birla Hospital, Delhi. Today we are going to talk about fibroids. Fibroids, what are the causes, symptoms, treatment options and why they are there. Do you know more than 70% of the women will have fibroids and they will never know about it. So they are a kind of muscular swellings, masses in the uterus. Location can be any. They can be inside the uterus, in the muscle wall of the uterus, or maybe on the surface of the uterus. They can be of a varying size. They may be very, very small, and sometimes they may be large enough to cause discomfort, pressure symptoms. So that is why whenever a lady is coming with many symptoms like menorrhagia, that is having heavy periods, repeated heavy periods, passage of clots, having dyspareunia, that is a pain during sex, or having repeated urinations, and sometimes the pressure symptoms may cause constipation, difficulty in defecations, and definitely some may have difficulty in conceiving, and some may come with the complications in pregnancy. We always see fibroids in the uterus. So that is the one thing which you as a patient also ask doctor, oh, I may be having fibroids, so we also want to find out. But do you know, many of them do not need any treatment and they may not cause any symptoms, and they can be there as very less of them will be cancerous. So we definitely need a medical opinion, a great opinion, to find out how they are effective and what all they can cause in our body. What are the various treatment options which are available to us for the fibroids? The treatment options can be either in asymptomatic cases, very small fibroids, we can just do yearly ultrasounds or 6 monthly or 2 yearly ultrasound depending on the symptoms to see whether they are increasing or not. And other ones are the hormonal therapies. Usually talk about treatments. They are myomectomy, where we want to preserve the uterus of the lady, like a patient who deserves fertility, or it is by choice, like a woman at 40 comes to me and asks, doctor, I want to keep my uterus. There will also we may remove only fibroid. So myomectomy is a procedure which can be done, and another one is a hysterectomy. Hysterectomy is a complete removal of uterus where you are not desiring fertility, nearing menopause, or having very severe symptoms and may have passed with 40, and you may decide to get rid of it as fibroids have a history of recurrence. So once we do only myomectomy and remove fibroid, they may reoccur and you may have to go for a hysterectomy at a later time. But remember that most of them may not need any treatment, or they may get away without a surgical option also. So whatever decision we need to take about fibroids, it is between you and the doctor, and fully informed decision should be taken. And in the last, I will like to say that fibroids cause infertility, and it is a myth. If a fibroid is not very big in size, smaller fibroids do not cause infertility. So we should definitely think twice before going for such surgeries for smaller fibroids in a woman who are desiring fertility. So I think we will be talking more about such problems, about the gynecological issues in another